Hey Roisin, how are you today?
Good.
So, what are we going to do today?
Today we are going to see if this is true. I saw it on a video. We're going to see if putting these two things together will make slime. Now, we only have corn flour. We don't have any cornstarch, so I don't know if that will make a difference.
So what are the ingredients, just so people understand?
Well, we only have corn flour, but in the thing on the thing I searched up on Google, it says cornstarch, but we're going to be trying it with corn flour. And you need hair conditioner, and you don't need food coloring, but I'm gonna add some if it works. And you need a spoon. I have one for taking the corn flour out and one for mixing.
Okay, sounds good.
So
let's go make some slime.
yeah, well, we're gonna see if it works. We have to open it.
Gosh, hold that.
Try not to open it and spill it.
Well, I don't know how I spilled it because look,
I know.
it's spilling off the thing.
Don't worry about it, you're outside.
I've got speckled trousers now. So I'm gonna add one spoonful of this to start off. I'm gonna just put that in there. And then I'm gonna get the conditioner and I'm gonna pour it in. So it's a bit dry, so we're gonna add in more. Now it's a bit wet, so we're gonna add in more.
Do we continue doing this till the bowl is full?
I don't know. Now it's a bit dry, so we're gonna add. I'm not gonna add too much more this time.
So how do you know when it's right?
I don't know.
Well, you're doing an instructional video for your friends.
Why don't you mix it with your fingers first and see what it's like?
Yeah.
So how do you know when slime is ready normally?
It's slimy.
Okay.
This is kind of conditioner-y.
That's
Conditioner-y, okay.
It could be just that the corn flour isn't the same as the cornstarch protein, so that's possibly why.
We may be having technical difficulties here, viewers.
Technical difficulties.
But we're still enjoying the muck and the messing.
Muck and messy. I think it actually is turning into it.
Is it?
Okay, it's not very stretchy.
No.
See?
That doesn't look very slimy to me, Roche. I think we can cross this out as a bit of a fail. What do you think?
Wait. No. I think it's beginning. No, look. It's turning.
Is it?
Yeah.
We're getting slimy, are we?
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure if it is because I've only touched slime 5 times, I think. And when I've tried to make slime, it didn't turn out very well. Whoa! I think it's actually kind of working.
Is it? Good.
It's working!
Oh, we have a buzzy bee now who wants some.
A buzzy bee who wants to eat it. But you can't eat it because there's hair conditioner in it, and you use hair conditioner for your hair. And you'd probably get sick if you ate it. This is actually turning out pretty
Actually, do
good.
you know what it is? It's turning out alright now, isn't it?
Yeah, you just have to kind of like knead
Keep
it with your
mixing
hands.
it,
Like baking.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's turning out okay.
Yeah, but I'm kind of scared to add it with that.
Well, then put it into the tub while you make up the rest of the stuff.
I'm gonna put it in.
Now why is it going to the tub?
So the air won't get at it and dry it out.
Okay.
And
What
now,
do you think?
yeah. Oh, this one's definitely, we're gonna need to add more corn flour into this.
Get it together first and see.
I'd suggest you don't do this without a sink to wash your hands, or like water.
Watch those expert hands at work.
It's actually kind of turning.
You just have to keep
It's looking good.
mixing it together.
I didn't actually know if this would work because we're using corn flour, not cornstarch. Is there much of a difference between it?
I don't really know, Pat.
I think it's actually working.
Good. We never doubted you.
You did.
No, I didn't.
What did you say before we started recording?
You're amazing.
No, you didn't.
Please subscribe to your channel.
Oh yeah. Please subscribe to my channel. Now, the next thing for this slime that we're making is we're going to add some food colouring. So I have a new bowl here. I'm going to put the slime down in it. And I think I'm going to use some blue. And I am wearing gloves because food colouring does like go on hands, and it can do like paint your hands. So I'm just going to add in a little bit at a time. Okay, I'm definitely going to need to add more. I'm going to add, oh, that's a bit too much. Food colouring does not stick to glass bowls. That's why I'm using a glass bowl here. Oh, it's getting blue. Looks kind of like toothpaste. Feels kind of like toothpaste. Good thing I'm wearing gloves.
Would the...
No, that would make it more sticky.
Right.
So we've added some more corn flour to the thing. And it seems to be doing well now. No, it isn't. We need to add more shampoo.
Tell me when to...
Keep adding. Keep adding. That's enough. You're just going to want to keep kneading it in.
What do you need?
What?
What do you need?
You keep on kneading it in.
Yeah, but I thought you needed something.
No.
Joke.
It smells a bit like hair conditioner now.
Oh, Interesting.
Well, we put air conditioner in it, so you'd expect it to smell like the hair conditioner.
You would?
Because corn flour doesn't have any scent.
Oh, I see.
So this is corn flour with a hint of conditioner scent.
Excellent.
I think the food colouring ruined it.
It looks okay. It looks nice and blue.
Yeah, but we need to get it to the texture it was earlier. So I'm just going to keep on. Oh. Nothing happened. There. So I'm just going to mix it in the bowl a bit. Okay. That was definitely a bit of mixing in the bowl. Just like a tiny bit of mixing in the bowl. So I'd suggest you don't add any food colouring in. I think I might make some later again without any food colouring. I think it's turning well again.
Okay. Are we done?
No. Okay. So that looks like the end of the video.
Okay, let's have a close look at it, so. I'll just zoom in.
Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button so it'll know, and hit the notification bell so it'll notify you when I upload new videos. I upload new videos. Sometimes I upload it every month. Sometimes I upload every second week. Sometimes I upload every week. You can't really tell when I upload videos. So, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.